All right, this question starts off by stating that the temperature changes when acid reacts with magnesium metal. Okay, so we need some prerequisite knowledge of acid and metal reactions, which we probably have learned in our previous years. So the temperature of the mixture change, okay? So with a change in temperature, which apparatus could be used to measure it? The apparatus needed would be a thermometer. Okay, first one, we have thermometer. The question also gives that a measuring cylinder is used. So here we have a measuring cylinder already. So, and the measuring cylinder is used to measure the quantity of volume. Okay, so for volume, thermometer is temperature. Now, a known quantity of magnesium metal is reacted, right? So we have a known quantity. Let's highlight this, known quantity. So how do we know? How do we measure, right? To measure the quantity of the metal, we measure the mass, okay? So for first one, we need to measure the mass. Yeah. And to measure mass, we will need a balance, okay? Option 3. And then, of course, a container is required to hold the acid and to allow the reaction to take place, right? Because when the metal reacts over here, it will need to react somewhere, okay? And therefore, we will need a beaker, styrofoam beaker. We will not need a gas syringe because it doesn't measure the temperature change, neither does the stopwatch. And therefore, the answer is B.